Hi guys, welcome to YouTube 101. How do you start a YouTube channel? Just as a short introduction, when I was starting my YouTube channel, I wish there's a video that was available for me to watch that would explain to me the basic things I needed before starting a YouTube channel, the pros and cons, how to create a YouTube channel, how to grow my YouTube channel, and several other things related to YouTube. So this video contains multiple sessions. Feel free to skip to the session that most interests you. Of course, I'll be so happy if you can watch through the entire series. Trust me, there is something definite for you to learn in each session. So I will start with the different types of videos you can make on YouTube, then explain to you the advantages and disadvantages of being a YouTuber, then show you how to create your own YouTube channel. Of course, once you've created your channel and have uploaded your first video, the next thing is how to grow your channel. I want to assume that some of you don't have a video yet, so because of that, I will go through the best YouTube equipment as a beginner, the best and the cheapest as a beginner. Furthermore, I will take you through video editing, what you need to know about video editing, and second to the last will be how to make money on YouTube. And finally, I will explain and discuss why new YouTubers fail. Why do people start YouTube and suddenly give up on it? They are very eager to start, but they don't stay true. Why? So you can see that this course is made to answer your questions about YouTube. So let's get started. There are different types of video you can make on YouTube. I know you have seen some of them, like vlog, tech review, gaming, pranks, entrepreneurship, business. In fact, all kinds and all sorts of video are on YouTube. How to pass your exam, how to read for your exam, how to dance, the top 10 music in your country, they are all on YouTube. So if you want to start a YouTube channel, the first decision you need to make is, what kind of video do you think you want to make? Because being a YouTuber means you make videos. So what kind of videos do you want to make? There's no rule that it must be in one area. It can be in different areas. These areas are called niches on YouTube. You can be in tech and in beauty. You can be in beauty and in gaming. There's no rule. You are as free as air to make videos in any area that interests you. But that is the first decision you need to make. What kind of videos do you want to be making on the YouTube platform? What are the pros of being a YouTuber? What do you gain by being a YouTuber? I'm sure that you know some of them, like extra source of income, fame, like PewDiePie, Mr. Beast, free expression. You can talk to the world from your house. You can tell people how you view things, and nobody will come and slap you for expressing yourself freely. You can start making deals with brands. It's also a source of purpose fulfillment, where you tell the world about yourself and what you want to do in life, and you do it. To some other people, YouTube is a business and they use it to make money. But for others, it's a form of sharing knowledge, where they tell other people what they know about certain things in life. You can also be your own boss, working for yourself by just being a YouTuber. So there are 1,001 reasons why one would choose to be a YouTuber. As much as there are pros, you agree with me, there are demerits of being a YouTuber. These disadvantages include public scrutiny. Once you're a YouTuber, you almost bring your face, yourself to the public for them to judge you. And also, being a YouTuber is time consuming. As we go through the course, you will discover that it will take your time to write ideas, come up with ideas, edit the video, film the video, and keep doing it over and over again. It's time consuming. Also, there's stress. People can criticize your ideas, tell you that you are wrong, tell you that your video is not impressive, tell you all kinds of things in the comment section. I don't want to discourage you, so I will not dwell so much on the disadvantages. Now that you know the advantages and disadvantages, and you've made up your mind, okay, I still want to be a YouTuber. How do you create a YouTube channel? Follow me as I take you through how to create a YouTube channel that maximizes all that YouTube has for you on this platform. We did it. We did it. We have created a YouTube channel. How do we grow our YouTube channel? To have 1 million subscribers, to have 1 billion views in 1 year. How do we grow our YouTube channel? There are several ways to grow your YouTube channel, but the key thing is audience. The people that watch your video are the most determining factor in the success of your video. Yes, the videos are controlled by the YouTube algorithm, but YouTube algorithm is almost like it consults people that watch your video in order to decide to push your video or not. If you want to grow your YouTube channel, you can click on this link here, also in the description box, for you to know several ways to grow your channel. But as a summary, to grow your YouTube channel, you need to be consistent. You need to upload weekly. In fact, some YouTubers upload every day just to grow their channel. If you cannot upload every day, try and upload twice or thrice per week. Now that you are consistent with your upload, another important factor is audience engagement and retention. Tell your audience to like your video, to subscribe to your channel. Just like what I'm telling you now, please don't just watch this video and hear this advice for free. Do me a favor by liking this video and subscribing to my channel. YouTube take notice of these metrics in order to decide whether to push this video forward or not. So if you do not like this video now, for example, YouTube may not push it to other people to watch. But if you like this video, you subscribe to my channel, you give a comment, wow, YouTube will be intoxicated and it will ship it, send it out to other people to also watch this video. So that is why audience engagement is extremely important on YouTube. When you start making videos and people leave a comment on your channel, don't just abandon it. Reply them. It doubles the comment rating for that video. Another important thing to grow your channel is audience retention. Hey, I know you've heard of clickbait, giving a title, a thumbnail, and the video is different from what is the title or the thumbnail. YouTube check the percentage of people that watch the video to the end. So if you have 50% retention rate of your audience in all your videos on YouTube, you are about to blow up. In fact, you are about to become bigger than PewDiePie. Audience retention rate is how many people watch your video to the end. For most YouTube videos, audience retention rate is about 20 to 50%. But if you have like 40 or 50% retention rate, you are good to go. Your channel will blow up on YouTube. And how do you retain your audience on YouTube? It is by creating videos that are interesting. Anybody that's watching an interesting video would not be enticed to click out. They want to watch to the end. So if you want your videos to blow up on YouTube, create content that are engaging. That's how Mr. Beast is beating the YouTube algorithm. Before he drops a video on YouTube, he has gotten over 20 million views in 1 hour because his videos are very engaging. If you want to beat the YouTube algorithm, it's simple. Create videos that are entertaining. You see what I did at the beginning of this video? I did not do it just to do it. I did it because I want to make you, the audience, interested in this video and to watch even to this very moment. So come up with innovative ideas to retain your audience on your videos. Another way you can do it is by using the end screens and different cards provided by YouTube when you're uploading your YouTube videos. Having spoken a lot about consistency, audience engagement, audience retention, another key important factor to grow your YouTube channel is click-through rate. If you have an excellent click-through rate, which means once YouTube recommends your video to other people and they are watching it, they are clicking on it, YouTube will see your video as being impressive and we send it to a higher audience. If you want to increase your click-through rate, ensure that your title and thumbnail are enticing enough for people to click on your video. For example, at the background, which is my TV, you are seeing a thumbnail of my video, Home Office Desk Setup, the King of Productivity. And you can see that I put a crown on my head. Why? To make people click on the video. I don't know what you will do, but do anything you think that will be important to make people click on your video to watch it. I know you are enjoying how to grow your YouTube channel. I have several ideas on how to grow your YouTube channel. Check the description box. I have made videos about them. Go and check them out and you'll be ready to grow your YouTube channel. Now, as a beginner, one thing that can be very confusing is YouTube equipment. What is the right one to buy? For you to start your YouTube channel, you can start with another voice and your phone for you to know how easy it is. But if you ask for my advice, I will tell you that the most important equipment you can get is a microphone. A microphone doesn't have to be expensive. You can get the cheap Boya BY-M1 microphone. Hey, that's how I started my own YouTube channel and I still use it to date if I want to. So because it's cheap does not mean it's useless. It's about $15 to $20. Feel free to get it and use it with your phone. Most of us have good phones that are better than most cameras. So you can start with your phone. Just get the Boya mic or any other microphone to attach to your phone in order to improve your voice. People can pardon you if your YouTube background is not very beautiful. But if your audio is not very beautiful, or they cannot hear your audio, they cannot hear you, then what is the need of watching you? For those of you that want to go for something higher, you're like, I have the money to spend on excellent YouTube equipment. Go for the Rode NTG5 microphone. Rode has excellent chains of microphone, and some people believe that the more expensive it is, the better the microphone. For the microphone that I use, which is the NTG4 microphone, I've attached the link in the description box for you to go and check it out if you're interested. Lighting. Another important thing in your YouTube equipment is light. The natural light is the best kind of light to use on YouTube and anywhere. But what if you want to make a video in the evening, like the one I'm making? You can see the outside is dark and you want to get a light for it. You don't have to spend so much to get light. You can buy newest light that's less than $100 and it will brighten your whole video. In fact, it's not even how expensive it is, because there are cheap lights that can actually shine very brightly. You don't have to break the bank for it. And if you have more money to spend on light, you can go for high quality light like this. What of camera equipment? You can start with your phone. This video that you are watching was made with my iPhone. So you too can start your YouTube channel with your phone. Nobody cares, nobody will know. And if they know, who cares? But if you want to buy a new camera for your YouTube, you can get Canon 6D Mark II camera. For all the items I am listing here, the links will be in the description box below. So feel free to check them out at the end of this video. What of tripod? Hey, just go to Amazon. You can see cheap or expensive tripod to your taste. For tripod, I don't think the cost really count. Most YouTubers use very cheap $20 tripod. Don't feel shy or angry that it's cheap. It's cheap does not mean it's not good. So feel free to get whatever you want to get to start churning out videos on YouTube. Now that you've made your YouTube video, how do you edit them? There are several video editing apps and software you can use for editing videos. Some are free, some are paid for. For me, I use DaVinci Resolve. Why? It's free and high quality. Some other people use Adobe Premiere, Camtasia, and several other editing software. It's your choice to decide the one that you would like to use. But go for the one that is high quality, the one that is popular, so that if you encounter any problem, you can easily go and browse on YouTube videos to see how you can solve the problem. You may need to edit the video by yourself, or you can hire somebody to be editing the video on your behalf. If you choose to edit the video by yourself, you can learn all kinds of video editing software on YouTube. Just type the name of the editing app on YouTube and you will see tons and tons of tutorial videos on how to use that software. Then you are good to go. Now let's talk about money. How do you make money on YouTube even when you are starting? There are several ways to make money on YouTube. The most popular one is YouTube ads. Before you can make money through YouTube ads, you must reach a minimum of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months. If you to meet this minimum requirement, you can join the YouTube Partners program, which will enable you to monetize your video. And once you are able to monetize your video, you can make money through advertising revenue, channel membership, super chat and super stickers, merchandise shelf, and several other streams of income. But since you are starting and you may not have that minimum requirement, how can you still make money? You can make money through affiliate links. Most YouTubers, including myself, always give a link of their equipment or items in the description box of the video because the affiliate link. Once you click on that link and purchase an item, the YouTuber gets a commission of whatever you pay at no detriment to yourself. So feel free to use affiliate link in making money on YouTube. Also, your videos could be sponsored by big companies. You've watched videos by YouTubers, they say that this video is sponsored by Skillshare or Audible or several other companies. In those cases, you have reached an agreement with those companies on how you be paid. But most big YouTubers or YouTubers that have high subscribers and viewership are more likely to get such brand sponsorship. Don't worry if you do not get it now. As you keep uploading videos, they will naturally come your way. So take it easy. Equally, you can make a product and you sell it on YouTube. You can sell consultancy services. For example, I am making this video for you and you can click on my website where I offer consulting service on anything you want to know on how to start and grow your YouTube channel, or anything about getting a job and several other things. It's one of the trim of making money as a YouTuber. And finally, why do YouTubers fail? Some people ask, why do new YouTubers fail? A good number of new YouTubers fail majorly because they are not patient enough. They upload their first video, 5 videos, 10 videos, and have not blown up on YouTube. They give up. Hey, there are several tons of video uploaded on this platform per minute, and YouTube algorithm is trying to push it. So it may not have gotten to your own turn for YouTube to have pushed your own video out. But if you lose hope, how will you ever push it out again? So impatience is one of the key reasons why new YouTubers fail. They try for 3 months and have not blown, they give up. Some YouTubers take 2 years before they become popular. So keep uploading the videos, keep hitting the YouTube algorithm. Whether they are watching it or not, one day they will watch it. Another reason why some new YouTubers fail is imitation, copycat. You want to start a YouTube channel and you are copying another YouTuber exactly. Like, what would be the need of watching you, whereas they can watch the original? So if you want to grow your YouTube channel, I am not saying you should not learn from other YouTubers or copy some things from other YouTubers, but don't just copy everything in such a way that your own uniqueness is lost. We want to watch you in your uniqueness, so bring your uniqueness to the fore for us to enjoy in watching you. It's not over until it is over. In order to keep learning the reasons why new YouTubers fail and how to grow your channel, I've attached the link in this end screen which you are seeing here. So feel free, click on them to know and get more reasons why new YouTubers fail so that you can avoid them and keep growing your channel. Thank you for watching.